Here are some examples of the great specials available this week at rarecollectiblestv.com. 1909 VDB Lincoln Cents in Mint State 67 red condition from NGC or PCGS. These 1909 VDB examples feature Lincoln's portrait on the obverse and 2 wheat ears on the reverse with Victor David Brenner's initials below. These initials were removed early in 1909, creating the rare VDB variety. Next, a roll of 50 varied date Indian head cents in good to fine condition. The obverse features Liberty wearing a Native American headdress, while the reverse displays an oak wreath with a shield. In 1864, the Mint changed the original copper-nickel composition to a softer alloy of bronze containing 95% copper. Also, a 2011 W 911 Memorial Silver Medal with the 15th anniversary Moy signed label in Proof 69 Ultra Cameo condition. Struck at West Point, this 911 Silver Medal honors the lives lost on September 11, 2001. The obverse features Liberty holding the lamp of remembrance with 2 beacons of light in the background to symbolize the Twin Towers, while the reverse displays an eagle in flight. A 1922 piece dollar Moustache variety by NGC in AU 58. This unique 1922 example is from the VAM 12A variety, also known as the Moustache, which was caused by a die crack. This example is from a later die state with a bolder crack near the edge of the mouth that is not seen on early die states. This variety is part of the VAM Top 50 Piece Dollar list. Be sure to check out rarecollectiblestv.com for more of Jack's specials. Visit us at rarecollectiblestv.com.